Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Do you dream of a life where money is never an issue? Look no further than Andrew Tate's guide on how to make money in 2023. With 19 plus proven methods taught in Tate's The Real World and Andrew's expertise in business and entrepreneurship, he can show you the way to financial freedom. Ex-kickboxer Andrew Tate is an overnight internet celebrity with an estimated net worth of $365 million. He lives a luxurious lifestyle and shares often controversial views online. Now, keep watching for some valuable tips that will set you on the path towards success. Create a routine and be disciplined. Creating a routine and being disciplined are essential components of any successful man, especially when it comes to making money. Without structure and focus, you'll find yourself spinning your wheels with little to show for your efforts. The first step in creating a successful routine is identifying the specific tasks that need to be accomplished. Whether it's researching new business opportunities or mastering financial literacy, make sure you have a clear plan in place. Next, set aside a dedicated time each day or week to work on these tasks. Consistency is key here. Even if you can only devote an hour each day, commit fully during that time and treat it as non-negotiable. It's also important to eliminate distractions during this time. This may mean turning off your phone or finding a quiet workspace where interruptions are less likely. Hold yourself accountable for sticking to your routine. Set goals and track progress so that you can see tangible results over time. With discipline and dedication, success is within reach. Get rid of all distractions. Distractions are everywhere and they can be a major hindrance to our progress. Whether it's checking social media notifications or binge watching your favorite show on Netflix, distractions come in many forms. However, if you want to make great money online in 2023 like Andrew Tate, then getting rid of all distractions should be a top priority. One way to eliminate distractions is by creating an environment that promotes focus and productivity. This could mean setting up a designated workspace with minimal visual clutter or noise pollution. Additionally, turning off notifications on your phone or computer can help reduce the temptation to check them constantly. Another effective way to eliminate distractions is by prioritizing tasks and goals based on their level of importance. By focusing on what matters most first, you'll avoid wasting time on things that don't contribute to your goals. Incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine can also help keep distractions at bay. These practices will promote calmness and clarity of mind, which will enable you to stay focused for longer periods throughout the day. Eliminating distractions is crucial if you want to achieve success in making money in 2023. By creating an environment conducive for focus and productivity while prioritizing important tasks and incorporating mindfulness practices into your routine will maximize efficiency for maximum output results. Learn business and entrepreneurship. To make money fast, it's crucial to learn business and entrepreneurship. This means understanding the ins and outs of starting a company, managing finances, creating marketing strategies, and building a solid customer base. One way to start is by reading books on these topics written by successful entrepreneurs or taking online courses. Additionally, networking with other business professionals can provide valuable insights and opportunities. It's important to remember that entrepreneurship requires risk-taking and persistence. Not every idea will be successful, but learning from failures can help you grow as an entrepreneur. Another aspect of business is financial management. Understanding how to budget expenses and maximize profits can make all the difference in growing a successful company. Investing time in learning about business and entrepreneurship can lead to greater financial success in 2023 and beyond. Learn how money works. Money is a tool that we all need to understand in order to thrive in the modern world. To truly make money, it's important to know how it works and what drives its value. One key factor that makes money valuable is its scarcity. When something is rare, people are willing to pay more for it. Another important aspect of understanding money is knowing how it interacts with different economic systems. For example, capitalism rewards those who take risks and innovate, while socialism aims for wealth distribution across society. To really master finances, you also need to be aware of global events that can impact currencies and investments, such as wars or natural disasters. By following market trends and keeping an eye on world news, you can better predict where investments will flourish or flop. It's true that many people view finance as a daunting subject, but by taking small steps towards learning more about how the economy functions, you can gain confidence over time. Knowledge empowers us all, so never stop seeking out new ways to grow your financial literacy. Learn how to make money online. The world is changing, and so is the way we make money. With the internet becoming an integral part of our lives, making money online has become more accessible than ever before. But how do you go about it? Here are a few ways that Andrew Tate is teaching inside the real world. Number 1. E-commerce drop shipping. E-commerce drop shipping is a business model where you, as a seller, can sell items without keeping them in stock. Instead, you partner up with manufacturers who ship items directly to the customers who place orders through your website. This way, you don't have to worry about inventory, warehousing, or shipping costs. You only pay for the products that you sell. E-com dropshipping can be a cost-effective and flexible way to start an online business with minimal risk and overhead with high potential earnings. Number 2. Copywriting. Copywriting is the act or job of writing content for the purpose of advertising or other forms of marketing. The product, called copy or sales copy, is written content that aims to increase brand awareness and ultimately persuade a person or group to take a conversion action. Copywriting is different from content writing, which produces longer, well-written material for company blogs or publications. Copywriting is one of the most important elements of advertising and marketing, as it can make or break the success of an organization. Companies are willing to pay very well for experienced and expert copywriters for their marketing campaigns. Number 3. Stock investing. Stock investing is the process of buying shares of ownership in a public company. Those shares are called stock. If a stock you own becomes more valuable, you could earn a profit if you decide to sell it on the stock market. Investing in stocks can be an efficient way to build wealth over time, as well as to diversify your portfolio and benefit from the growth of different sectors and industries. How did Andrew Tate get rich? Andrew Tate was making $100,000 per fight during his time as a kickboxer. Realizing that the sport would never allow him to live the lifestyle he desired, he moved into entrepreneurship. With a former co-worker, Tate started a television advertising company. He made his first million after switching to a webcam modeling company with his brother. They originally started with 4 models at one point in time, had 70 women working for them. They were making as much as $500,000 per month. However, with the business getting difficult to maintain and manage, they decided to downsize it and instead focus their attention on more profitable ventures. The real world, aka Hustlers University. Andrew Tate was already selling online courses in his late 20s on various topics such as how to get in shape fast and how to improve your relationships, among many others. He did not make a lot of money from it, but it eventually gave rise to the real world, also known as Hustlers University. His Hustlers University program now has 100,000 students subscribed, which means he makes $5 million from this business alone. The War Room. Hustlers University, or The Real World, is a subsidy to a private network owned by Tate, dubbed the War Room. The War Room is a private members club that costs $4,497. In conclusion, Andrew Tate is 36 years old and became a millionaire in his early 20s. Through his successful business and wise investment, he is still generating significant revenue through his multifarious business enterprises.